darlings, how are you today? Let me tell you, my arms are sore still from those prayer pulses. So you know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna work on abs. So today and tomorrow I put 2 ab moves together. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so today's move is the Russian twist. So you want to sit similar to how I am. Make sure your back is nice and tall. Don't concave forward. And make sure all the weight is in your feet. Now you're going to tip back, hands clasped together. You're going to tap your elbow down, tap your other elbow down. And that would count as 1. So are you guys ready? Let's get ready to sit back and twist. So if you need to at any time, you could also sit up and just not tap those elbows down, and that'll make it easier so you guys can get through these moves. Or you could just do what I've been telling you for all week and just take your break when you need to. This is a really hard move. It's really gonna get into those obliques. But try really hard to keep going at a nice consistent speed. That's really gonna target those abs and give us that nice hourglass figure we all really want and crave. Whew. Should really start to feel it after just a couple. I know I am, but I definitely gotta work on my belly. That's another big issue I have with myself, but I am working on it, doing the best I can. Whew. Like I said, just sit up if you need to. So, like I said, tomorrow I put another ab move in, but that's going to be for the lower abs. And we'll talk a little bit more about that tomorrow. But I hope you guys are ready for 2 ab moves. Ooh, I'm going to sit up, take a break for a second. Catch your breath. Lean back down. So, I know this is day 5 of the challenge, which is when most people kind of start to lose their momentum. You know, the idea of having to do something for 5 days in a row kind of gets tough. But I'm proud that you guys are here doing it with me. And I really appreciate you guys liking these videos and sharing them, so thank you so much for those of you who are. This is my first challenge, and I'm learning so much by doing this with you. Whew! I've learned how to do my own thumbnails, and I'm learning how to advertise and make websites, which is something I never thought in a million years I would do. I actually went to college for social work, so this is completely outside my realm of knowledge. Whew! Need a break again. Like I said, these are hard. Okay, get back to it. So if you would have told me a couple years ago that I was going to be teaching people how to work out, I wouldn't have believed you. But I think I've really found my calling, and I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew! I did it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this as much as I'm enjoying bringing it to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!